We just had dinner. Joel made a delicious sauce. Everyone, as you can see, everyone is finished. Grandpa just off cleaning the dishes and things.
Joe, Harry, did you get a view of this?
Wait, hold it. Joel is, you
Not
notice,
finished yet, you got on.
still eating.
Why don't you let me do this though? Let me clean this dish, you can start on that. This
Hey,
one,
Harry,
first
Harry, you know.
Here we have, ladies and gentlemen, the latest in biological food disposal systems.
There might be something in there.
You
Still-
missed
You got a hole out there.
Hey, Harry.
Non-carcinogenic, clean disposal
Where are you going?
of excess waste products. Everybody stands around in awe, marveling at the amount he consumes. He's quick, he's steady.
What?
He's a pig.
No one else, yes, no one else is eating. You notice how this side of the table is clean.
One sausage and thing.
Gradually, the food migrates down the runway to the cavernous
No, he doesn't.
maw
Want some of that, Joe?
The butter.
of Molillo.
You have another butter there? And gravy.
He continues to consume at an Olympic
Oh,
pace.
there are 2 carrots on there.
Everyone,
Joe,
everyone in awe.
Joe, open up
He
your
is the
mouth as wide
master.
as you can.
No one on the face of the earth
Got food in it.
can eat like he
Put
eats.
those bones, Joe, put those end bones there, these bones.
More food is coming.
All right, Joe, open up your mouth. I want to see your teeth.
Why don't you
There's
put the big
more
bowl
food.
in front of him?
Although I think I hear the doorbell. I think the neighbors are bringing over the
Joe,
remains
open up your mouth.
of their meals.
Come on. Show me your teeth, Joe.
Like this,
This is disgusting. We can't take any more of this. We must get out of here.
Wait, and
Wait. We have found more food. We thought we were out of food, but he continues to consume. How can any human have an intake? You notice everyone else is, there's nothing, all the food has migrated.
Last night is done, right? You can't believe it.
seems like so
My, you
much
can't
less.
believe it. It really does.
Unbelievable. Absolutely.
Shh, let's get the sound of him sucking at those cribs.
All right, shh, everybody quiet.
Listen.
Oh, the broken chair.
He's undaunted. He continues,
Intimidated, not unintimidated.
unintimidated, unembarrassed. He continues to consume.
He worked on it for 3 hours. He
Is it?
should.
Enjoy it.
See that?
Not
That
counting the cleaning up a
will
couple
be
of
there.
days ago or so.
You might not.
Here, dear.
Wait, here.
Give it to What a pain you are.
Channel 2 news team has arrived. We're going to document
I want
this.
to get this from every possible angle. No one will believe it unless
Did you get under the table, Joe? Did you get the crab that fell down?
He's got wine and crib pieces of wine.
Wait, you dropped the crab down there.
Oh, there's Tino. Tino, a closet hairdresser, on the attack.
Closet hairdresser.
Just one thin mint.
Hey, he would have been all right in that show last night. When those guys were eating everything, he would have eaten with them too.
Jeez, he would eat
Hey,
everything.
Bob.
That is not wine, that is
What?
lubrication, that's STP. He's lubricating his throat.
I keep asking myself, how did I get
Wow,
into
he's
this
gonna
thing?
eat all that.
He will eat every last one of these.
Look at that, it's delicious.
Well, you know what? There's nothing there,
That's
really.
right.
Oh, no.
Well, now we come to the conclusion.
Karen, a grain of sand multiplied by.
Here comes some more, here comes some more.
makes a ton.
Another load.
Put that right over here.
That's it, ladies and gentlemen. The conclusion of another episode of That's Incredible.
We got it. No problem.
Unbelievable.
He took my napkin away.
Oh,
Had a
sorry.
big napkin
There
there.
he is.
Unbelievable.
Oh, my God.
Unbelievable.
That's your uncle.
Hey, you